Good morning, students. Today, I, Ketan Parmar, as a subject teacher of English Grammar in Standard 3rd. Today, we are going to understand or learn a new chapter, and that is punctuation. Punctuation is the part of English grammar. Without punctuation marks, your sentence will not be decorated properly. If you want to decorate your sentence or if you want your sentence to be perfect, then you must use punctuation marks. There are many types of punctuation marks: comma, double inverted comma, full stop, bracket, semicolon, question mark. These are the types of punctuations. There are lots of punctuation in English grammar, but what is the level of your learning as per I am going to teach? So here, subject English grammar, it is the worksheet with the answer or without answer. So with the help of these worksheets, we are going to learn this chapter, that is punctuations. We have already learned chapter number 12 earlier. Now we will move to understand what is chapter number 13 and what do we call punctuations. As we know that all the sentences always begin with a capital letter. The first line you can observe there, all the sentences begin with a capital letter. आप जो भी सेंटेंस की शुरुआत करोगे उसका पहला जो वर्ड होगा और लेटर हम जिसकी भाषा में लेटर बोलते हैं उसको हम हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि सेंटेंस ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद द कैपिटल लेटर. इफ़ यू राइट टू in a small letter means your sentence is not going to be corrected. अगर आप स्मॉल लेटर से स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपका सेंटेंस सही माना जाएगा नहीं. सेकेंड थिंग विच ऑलवेज बिगिन्स विद द कैपिटल, दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. जब प्रॉपर नाउन, दिस चैप्टर इज ऑलरेडी टॉट बट अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज because it is talking about proper noun, because all the proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Proper noun means a specific name of a person, specific name of a animal, specific name of a bird और स्पेसिफिक नेम ऑफ अ सिटी. किसी के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो लेकिन उसका कोई खास नाम दिया गया है, पर्टिकुलर नाम दिया गया है, तो उनको हम प्रॉपर नाउन कहेंगे. और जब भी आप प्रॉपर नाउन से सेंटेंस को शुरू करते हो और खाली प्रॉपर नाउन लिखते हो, दैट शुड बी स्टार्टेड विथ कैपिटल लेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अंकित डांसेस वेल. माई आंसर इज अंकित डांसेस वेल. So Ankit is the name of particular person, that is why Ankit is having the letter A in his name. So alphabet A should be decorated with the capital letter because it is proper noun. So जब भी आप कोई वर्ड में प्रॉपर नाउन का यूज़ करते हो तभी भी आपको पहला लेटर उसका कैपिटल होगा, और कोई सेंटेंस के अंदर यूज़ करते हो तभी भी उसका पहला जो लेटर होगा वो कैपिटल होगा, क्योंकि ऑल प्रॉपर नाउन्स बिगिंस विद द कैपिटल लेटर. थर्ड थिंग, द लेटर आई बाई इट सेल्फ इज ऑलवेज अ कैपिटल लेटर. वेन एवर यू राइट आई एम हैप्पी, आप जब भी आई, जो लेटर आई है, आप कहीं भी देखोगे, कोई भी पैराग्राफ हो, कोई भी सेंटेंस हो, वो हमेशा कैपिटलाइज होगा, वो कभी भी स्मॉल लेटर में होगा नहीं. इट शुड बी ऑलवेज रिमेन इन कैपिटल लेटर. अंडरस्टूड? सो जैसे कि मैंने कि मी एंड माई फ्रेंड, मी एंड माई फ्रेंड, सो मी एम, that should be capital. Why? Because it is beginning of the sentence. If I am saying I and me, sorry, I and my friends, or me, I and my friends, so I should be decorated with the capital letter because it is begin with the capitalized I. Even though अगर आप लेटर आई को कहाँ भी आप देखते हो, सेंटेंस के बीच में देखते हो, सेंटेंस के पहले देखते हो या सेंटेंस के बाद में देखते हो, वो हमेशा कैपिटलाइज ही रहेगा. आई शुड नॉट बी इन स्मॉल लेटर. मोस्ट sentences and either with a full stop or a question marks. 80 or 90% sentences have full stops और 10% सेंटेंस कुछ ऐसे हो गए जिसके पीछे आपको क्वेश्चन टैग लगाना पड़ेगा, सॉरी क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज फुल स्टॉप एंड व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन मार्क? व्हेन यू फिनिश द सेंटेंस, at the end of the sentence you must put full stop. If you forget to put a full stop, it means your sentence is totally wrong, because each and every sentence is totally decorated with the proper punctuation marks. If you if you forget to put any single punctuation at the right place properly, it will not be considered as a perfect sentence. Why do we use question mark? Because last time we have learned question words. At that time, whenever you ask question, at the end of the question sentence you must put question marks. How are you? My question is how are you? I am fine. So how are you is the question. So when you ask question, you must put question mark. Mother and I baked the cake together. वाई मदर का एम और बेक आई कैपिटल? बिकॉज मदर का जो एम है इट शुड बी बिगिन विथ द कैपिटल लेटर, बिकॉज इट इज टेकिंग इट्स प्लेस ऑन फर्स्ट. एंड वाई आई इज कैपिटल? बिकॉज as I said, whenever you find the I, it should be in capital letter. So mother and I baked the cake together. Towards the end, Rita came in to help us. So towards जो है वो प्रीपोजिशन है. ओके, टूवर्ड्स जो है प्रीपोजिशन है, बट जो वो सेंटेंस टूवर्ड्स से स्टार्ट होता है, इसलिए टूवर्ड्स का जो टी है इट शुड बी कैपिटलाइज्ड. रीटा इट्स अ प्रॉपर नाउन. एज आई सेड, ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉपर नाउन शुड begins with capital letter. Each and every proper noun should be begin with the capital letter. And Rita is the particular name of a girl. That is why Rita का जो R है वो कैपिटल रहेगा, because Rita itself herself is a proper noun. Would you like to test some? So it is the question mark. W should be first. W is at the first place in the sentence, that is why it should be in a capital, and it is a question tone or question sentence, that is why this question ends with the question mark. I hope you are clear about this information about this chapter. Now we will understand or we will complete the exercise which is there in the textbook. If you have textbook, then go through it. Open the textbook with numbers 21 and write the exercise. I am going to read exercise of rewrite these sentences using capital letters where necessary and full stops or question marks at the end. इस सेंटेंस को हम कैसे लिखेंगे? कैपिटल लेटर का यूज़ करके लिखेंगे. अगर सेंटेंस बिगिन हुआ तो बाद में फुल स्टॉप जहाँ रखना हो फुल स्टॉप रखेंगे, क्वेश्चन मार्क रखना होगा जहाँ क्वेश्चन मार्क रखेंगे. मैनी मोर. इसके अलावा अगर कोई भी पंक्चुएशन रहता है तो भी हम उसमें ऐड करेंगे. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन और वी कैन से सेंटेंस, एंड दिस सेंटेंस इज टोटली without punctuation. There is no single punctuation is given in this sentence. Now I am going to read. My brother and I shall go to Solapur for the Diwali vacation. My brother and I shall go to Solapur for the Diwali vacation. When you observe this sentence, you will find many things to be punctuated. First one, my brother. सो माई का जो एम है एम वाई, सो एम शुड बी कैपिटल, आई शुड बी कैपिटल. Solapur is a particular name of a city, that is what is a proper noun, and as I said, proper nouns begin with the capital letter, that is why S should be capital. And Diwali is the particular festival of Hindu, that is why it is the name of a particular festival, that is why it is a proper noun. So we have to start this word by capital D. So answer, my brother and I shall go to Solapur for the Diwali vacations. Second, how many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Is it question tone or the simple sentence? Obviously, it's a question tone. Why? Because at the end, the question tone is dragging out, raising out. How many brothers and sisters do you have? So, how H जो है वो कैपिटल हो जाएगा. Many brothers and sisters will remain same. Do you have will remain same. But at the end, what will be there? Question mark. So, how many brothers and sisters do you have? My parrot name is Kiki. So here my का जो M है, the M should be capital because it is beginning. Parrot name is Kiki. So Kiki का K है, that should be capital. And at the end, what is there? Full stop. Which are the cities through which Ganga and the Yamuna flows? It is also question. Now answer is, which are the cities through Ganga and the Yamuna flows? Why did I put capital G for Ganga and capital Y for Yamuna? Because they both are proper noun. Fifth, Mars and Jupiter are planets. The things which are needed to put, we were supposed to put. Mars and Jupiter are planets. So why did I do Mars and Jupiter in capital letter? Because Mars and Jupiter are the name of particular planets. That is why they are always begins with the capital letters, and at the end there should be a full stop. 6. Amar, Akbar, Anthony went for a party. So why there is small letter in proper noun? Because it is question. Now when we write the answer like that, Amar, Akbar, Anthony went for a party. So why did I put 3 capital letter of A? Why did I put 3 letters in capital? Because Amar, Akbar, Anthony are the name of particular persons, that is why they are considered as proper noun, and I say proper noun always begins with the capital letter. And if the proper nouns are included into the sentences, then at the end of the sentences there should be a full stop. Now answer is, Amar, Akbar and Anthony went for a party. 7. My birthday falls on Tuesday next week, but Nitin's birthday falls in the month of July. So here the answer is, my birthday falls on Tuesday next week, but Nitin's birthday falls in the month of July. So M should be capital because it is beginning. Then Tuesday, it is a particular day of the week, Tuesday. Nitin is the particular name of a boy or person, that is why N should be capital. In the month of July, July is the particular month of the year, that is why J should be capital. So this way we are supposed to understand this chapter. I hope you clear about this chapter. Now I have also given one more exercise for the practice, so you can go through it and practice at the home. I am going to send video of this chapter also, so you can go to the textbooks, then write the exercise in the textbook as well as notebook. Thank you very much.